Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Okay, if you are seeing my face for the first time, or if you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my important videos. Okay, thank you so much for supporting me. We are now in 4,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be talking on my own advice to new writers and new authors. Okay, today's video does not have a particular outline. Okay, I'm going to be talking based on my own experience and what I want you to learn too. Okay, I started writing 2 years back or 3 years back because we are now in 2025. So to tell you the truth, writing is one kind of a challenging skill out there, but when you put your mind in it, you are going to achieve a lot from it. Yes. Are you writing content? Are you writing non-fictional? Are you writing fictional stories, or email writing, or assignment writing, or article, and a lot of many types of writing out there? It is achievable. Let me just focus on writing fictional stories, okay? Because a lot of people have been, they will tell you that they are overwhelmed in writing fictional stories, that they cannot do it. Okay, if you are listening to me and you have gotten a course, you bought a course and you have learned the course, but you do not still understand what and how you are going to carry on as a writer or as a new writer, listen to this, my advice. I'll advise you, after learning the course, go and start learning. Some of the courses out there, I will tell you the truth, they are insufficient. The knowledge there, they are insufficient. That's why after buying the courses, you can still go ahead and do your own researches. Okay, if you don't have any course you are managing or you are learning from, or you don't have any mentor, I will advise you to leverage on YouTube, Facebook, and so on and so forth. And that reminds me of, if you are a new writer and you want to write for Letterlux, Goodnovel, Dream, and other platforms, try your possible best to locate them on Facebook and join their platform on Facebook. That you will be getting information from that particular page. Okay, then you can also meet a lot of writers there too, new, old, middle, and so on and so forth. You are going to meet them there. Then if you have any opportunity to join all these AE group, WhatsApp group, do your possible best to do that. Join them. You'll be getting a lot of resources there, free resources out there. Okay, then as a new writer, just know that your main goal is what? Researching. How do you research? By what? Reading, and by conducting a lot of research and asking questions. Okay, if you want to be a good writer, you are going to be a better reader. I don't know if there is any writer, as I'm talking about fictional stories, I'm not talking about non-fiction, that is not a good reader. If you have anybody, tag the person. I would like to interview the person in this my channel. I'm going to pay the person. If you have somebody and that will tell me that he or she can't read werewolf romance novel or billionaire romance novel, but he or she can write it, I don't think there is anybody like that. For you to achieve success in something, you must learn through that, right? Okay, for example, let's use makeup artists as an example, or fashion designer as an example. So are you telling me that someone can just wake up and start making someone up without even learning it? Or start sewing clothes without even learning it? There must be a process. You must go through a process for you to do that. So that's how it is in writing skills. Some of us cannot calm down to learn this. All they want to do, because they are seeing $500 in this WhatsApp group, they are seeing 1,000, they are seeing 2,000, they are seeing how to make $50 in a day. They'll be like, just for me to write, they'll just go to AI. AI, or you write for me outline on a werewolf romance, blah blah blah. AI will just give them, they keep. AI, or you write for me the chapter 1, they will write. AI, write for me chapter 2, they will get 5,000 words or more. They even go straight to the platform and post it. And all these things, they have processes. You have to learn the foundation, learn the basics before you can be able to achieve success in writing. Is it the ones that do outsource, people that are outsourcing? If you don't know how this business was, one day they will go and screenshot somebody's book, test ferry it, give you, and you go and get contracts. After 2 months and 3 months for you to get paid, they will tell you that anti-cheating, that you are submitting someone content because of what you don't know the basis. I don't mean you know the basis. You know that when somebody sends you something, maybe one or two, you might have seen the story somewhere. That's why it's supposed to be what, versatile. As a writer, you want to be a writer, right? What do? You learn. Make yourself, find yourself in learning process. Okay? So some of us also are asking questions based on the platform. Are you going to be writing on the platform? No, you don't have to write on the platform. See this app, Google Docs, okay? So if you don't have it in your phone, go and get it in Play Store. You get it, then you can be writing from there. Then a lot of people are asking questions like, is it a must that I'm going to get contracts before I don't know, a lot of questions. But the major thing is that if you are writing, if you submit a book, make sure that you get contract before you keep on doing what, uploading. If you don't get contract and you are uploading, you are wasting your time. You need to sign a contract before your book will be able to benefit from the platform you submitted your story to. Okay, the another thing I'm going to tell us that are new writers and to basically learn how to write with AI. They are free in channels on this YouTube. I'm going to go there, learn the basis on how to use AI to write. I'm not advising people to use AI to write, because if you're using AI to write, you become lazy. In as much that it's very, very helpful, but when AI gives you anything, you are going to do what? Humanize it by your own self. Make sure that you are the one that is editing your book. Don't just get something from AI, go straight to the platform and do what? Submit it. No, you are looking for their trouble. Okay, another thing I'm going to tell you as a new writer is that people that are succeeding in it, they don't have two heads, they have only one head. A lot of people even start last month, but now they are making money because of what? Consistency and determination. If you don't have anything that is bothering you, I don't think that you can be able to come down to learn any skills. But if you have bills, if Sapa catch you, you will go and learn that writing by fire by force. The other thing, people will not tell you that, like all these affiliate marketers that will be telling you that even if you don't know how to write, come, they will teach you. If you don't have the mindset that you are going to learn, it's going to take a while for you to start making money, you are not going to make any money. For some people that will come to my DM and will tell me, if I start now, am I going to cash out? Is it the language? Am I going to cash out next week or next 2 weeks or before the month ends? Cash out. You have not even studied your course. You are talking about cashing out. I always advise my students, my people, if you want to learn a skill, put it in 3 months, 6 months time. With hard work and consistency and focus, you are going to achieve it even below that 6 months or 3 months. I said I don't have outline for this my video. I have a lot of things to say, but just grab this thing that in writing skill is going to take you a process. as long as you have not been writing before. It's going to take you a process. And what are the process for you to do what? To read, research. If you want to write for Letterlux, go to Letterlux. Join their Facebook page. Join them. Read what people are writing there. Go and read the 5,000 words. Go and study how outlines work. Try your own outline. Write. Every day, write something. Drop it somewhere. You can get an accountability partner and be people to be judging yourself, okay? Join groups. Don't be overwhelmed about writing skills. And another thing I'm going to advise you as a new writer, and if you are working, don't quit your job because you want to start earning money, big money. You now quit your job. No, don't quit your job. Be there. Get enough, even if you have enough money, don't quit your job because you don't know tomorrow. Okay, so keep on learning, working hard, midnight. As you can see, this video you are seeing up here, it was around 3 a.m. I was sleeping. I was like, idea came up. I went down and pinned it down because if I did not pin it down, it will escape for my next chapter of stories. Okay, so that's how writing skill is not something that you can just start today and start making money in it today. No, it's going to drain you because you're looking for what? Ideas. And how do you get ideas? By reading people's work. Read people's work, get ideas. I don't even understand. Some people will tell you work out and go to a bar, drink alcohol, you get inspiration. My dear, and I will tell you that is a lie. For you to get an inspiration, for you to continue your book, go and read books that relate with your own pattern of writing or your own tropes or genre. Okay? Please, as a new writer, work hard in what? In achieving success through what? Consistency, hard working, focus, and you are going to see writing skill as an easy something. Okay? And I believe that with this, I have answered a lot of people's questions like, how am I going to do it? What are you going to tell a new writer? Please, as a new writer, read. Don't feel overwhelmed. Even when you feel overwhelmed, leave that course you are studying, leave everything you are doing. Just maybe it's something that will just make you happy, or you go and take about the way I am doing it. If I'm at home writing, I do go to bathroom to take my bath like up to 4 to 3 times. I'm not lying to you. Because of what? I will be writing, I'll be tired, I'll be like, let me just go to the bedroom. I'll just go to the bedroom, then come back. It will be flowing. I'm telling you the truth. So do anything that works for you. Then if you are feeling comfortable in writing with notes, like for me now, I can't write, I can't type in laptop. No. I have my laptop. I can't type with my laptop. I prefer using my phone. Then some of us can even write down something, then we type, then we correct using all these readers app. Okay, so do what works for you. If you prefer to write down before typing in your phone, fine, it's going to take you time, but fine. Like me, if you see me writing, my hand will be moving fast, but if you see me typing, I will be doing small. But after writing it on a paper, I can be able to now do what? Use my phone to type it. Okay, so do what works for you. The last advice I'm going to tell you is that what the people that are into writing skill, the people that are writing now, they don't have 2 heads. They have only one, and they did not start from there. The moment did not give birth to them as a writer. In as much as some of them started reading while they were young, but we started newly because we want to make money, right? We want to have a skill, right? So do what they have been doing since when they were small. Start doing it now. Give yourself time. Just tell yourself that from now till December 2025 that you are going to get, even if it is only 2 contracts, it's worth it. You are going to enjoy your life through writing. I did Amazon KDP. I know how much I made there. And this one, go. So my dear, buckle up. Don't feel too overwhelmed. What I'm going to advise you, research. Do your research. So another secret I'm going to drop now that nobody is going to tell you is that all the ideas that you were in your room, that idea just pop up. Even if you're the first person that thought that you are the one that thought it, after writing it, go out and make research. You will see that there is somebody somewhere else have penned down that idea. So what am I trying to tell you? That there is nothing like a sole originality of an idea. Idea is everywhere. You can read 2, 3, 4, 5 books, stories with the same tropes and genre. Then if you want to write your own, you mimic those books, then you form your own. I'm telling you this because this is a secret that no writer will tell you. I want to write on mafia or werewolf romance novel. I'll go and read what 5 or 10 of them. After reading, I will imagine idea. Then to tell you the truth, when you are doing that, your own idea will be coming. If you know what you are doing, go and ask any other writers out there. If they are going to tell you the truth, they will tell you that what I'm saying is the truth. So with this, I think I'm okay with this advice of 15. So with this, I'm going to tell you, do what? Keep on what? Learning, keep on researching, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, do what to subscribe to my channel, because what I'm going to be teaching after this video will be how to write better and what to make your stories to be what? To be accepted in all this platform, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, do what to subscribe, okay? Hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my important videos. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.